Picture this. You're stranded on a lonely highway at midnight, rain pouring down, and a spark plug blows. I've been there digging through my trunk to find a rusted wrench and a broken screwdriver. It was a complete nightmare. Choosing the right car toolkit is frustrating because cheap sets bend on the first bolt, while professional ones cost a fortune and steal trunk space. You don't have to learn the hard way like I did. I've tested dozens of options to find the ultimate balance of durability, portability, and value. Stick around because the number one kit literally saved my road trip. 5. Prostormer 210-piece toolkit. When I first got my hands on this set, I was genuinely impressed by the sheer volume of tools crammed into a relatively compact case. It promises to be the all-in-one solution for basic car maintenance and household repairs, offering everything from drive sockets and hex keys to a tape measure and a hammer. For someone who just wants a backup set to throw in the trunk for absolute emergencies, the variety is certainly tempting. You get a little bit of everything, making it feel like a mobile toolbox that can tackle minor, unforeseen hiccups on the road. However, the hands-on testing revealed a few things you need to be aware of. The sockets are made of chrome vanadium steel, which is standard, but the finish on them feels a bit thin. When I tried removing a particularly stubborn lug nut, the 3/8-inch ratchet felt like it had a significant amount of flex, and I honestly backed off because I was worried about stripping the gears inside. The tools are fine for light-duty tasks like tightening battery terminals or adjusting a loose mirror, but I wouldn't trust them for high-torque applications. The blow-molded case also leaves a lot to be desired in terms of tool retention. After keeping this kit in my trunk for a week of regular driving, opening it up was always a bit of a gamble. Several of the smaller bits and sockets would invariably fall out of the designated slots, creating a disorganized mess that required sorting before I could even start working. It is incredibly frustrating to be looking for a specific 10mm socket only to find it hiding under a loose pair of pliers. 4. DEKOPRO 228-piece tool set. Visually, this kit presents itself incredibly well with a sleek black and yellow color scheme that gives off a premium professional vibe. DEKOPRO designed this set to cater to a wide array of mechanical needs, including a comprehensive selection of combination wrenches, Torex bits, and both 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drive sockets. During my initial inspection, the tools felt slightly heavier and more substantial than the Prostormer, giving me a false sense of security about their long-term durability. I took this set out to the garage to replace a faulty alternator, which seemed like the perfect mid-level test. The combination wrenches have a decent polished chrome finish that wipes clean easily, which I always appreciate after a greasy job. The assortment of screwdriver bits is also quite impressive, ensuring you have the right head for nearly any interior trim panel or electrical component in your vehicle. For light assembly and general tightening tasks, the tools performed exactly as you would hope, providing adequate grip and turning force. But as the job progressed, the drawbacks of the DEKOPRO set became difficult to ignore. The ratcheting mechanism on the main 3/8-inch drive is noticeably coarse, with a low tooth count that requires a wide swing arc to engage the next click. In the tight confines of an engine bay, this lack of maneuverability was maddening, forcing me to continually reposition the tool just to get a fraction of a turn. Furthermore, I noticed that the open ends of the combination wrenches were machined with slightly loose tolerances, increasing the risk of rounding off older, rusted bolt heads if you aren't perfectly aligned. 3. WORKPRO 450-piece mechanics tool set. This is where we cross the line from basic emergency kits into the territory of serious automotive maintenance. The sheer magnitude of this collection is staggering, providing an expansive range of standard and metric sockets, deep sockets, hex keys, and specialized mechanics accessories. When I lugged this heavy-duty case onto my workbench, it felt like I was opening a portable auto shop. What immediately stood out during my hands-on testing was the build quality of the ratchets. WORKPRO has equipped this set with quick-release ratchets that feature a much finer tooth gear system than our previous contenders. I used this set to completely rebuild the brake calipers on my older sedan, and the smooth operation of the ratchets in the cramped wells was an absolute lifesaver. The sockets lock onto the drive securely, and the quick release button is perfectly placed so you can swap out sizes with greasy fingers without any hassle. Another massive positive is the inclusion of both shallow and deep sockets across multiple drive sizes, all clearly stamped for easy identification. I didn't experience any of the frustrating flex or slipping that I encountered with the lower ranked kits. The steel feels dense, properly heat treated, and fully capable of handling the break-free torque required for stubborn suspension bolts. Even after applying a cheater bar to the 1/2-inch drive ratchet for a rusted strut mount, the tool held up flawlessly without a single groan or skipped tooth. The organizational structure of the WORKPRO case is also a breath of fresh air. 2. VEVOR Mechanics Tool Set. VEVOR has been making serious waves in the tool industry by offering professional-grade equipment at incredibly competitive prices, and this kit is a testament to that reputation. Forged from high-strength chromium vanadium steel and finished with a flawless, corrosion-resistant polish, these tools are built to survive the harshest environments. Whether you are dealing with road salt in the winter or high humidity in the summer, this set is designed to shrug off the elements and perform day in and day out. My experience using the VEVOR set was overwhelmingly positive, especially when tackling heavy-duty suspension work. The set includes a fantastic array of drive sizes and combination wrenches that feel perfectly balanced in the hand. The ergonomic design of the ratchet handles reduces hand fatigue significantly, which I really appreciated during a long afternoon of pulling an engine block. The ratcheting action is incredibly crisp, with a high tooth count that requires only a minimal swing arc, making it a dream to use when navigating blindly around serpentine belts and cooling fans. One of the standout features of this specific VEVOR set is the precision engineering of the socket walls. They utilize a specialized internal design that grips the flat sides of fasteners rather than the corners. This virtually eliminates the chance of rounding off bolts, allowing you to apply maximum torque with complete confidence. I tested this specific feature on a notoriously soft and slightly mangled oil drain plug, and the VEVOR socket bit right in and removed it effortlessly. It is moments like these that prove the true value of a well-engineered tool. The storage case is equally rugged, featuring heavy-duty metal latches and reinforced corners that can take a serious beating. 1. DEWALT DWMT73803 Mechanics Tool Set. If you are looking for the absolute pinnacle of reliability, performance, and portability, this is the kit that outshines them all. DEWALT is legendary for their job site durability, and they have successfully condensed the rugged DNA into a masterclass automotive toolkit. From the moment you unlatch the impact-resistant case, you can see and feel the superior craftsmanship that separates this set from every other option on the market. At the heart of this kit are DEWALT's beautifully crafted 72-tooth pair head ratchets. These ratchets operate with a silky smooth precision that is completely unmatched, offering a 5-degree arc swing that allows you to work in the tightest, most frustrating corners of your engine bay with ease. I put this kit to the ultimate test when a serpentine belt snapped on a remote stretch of highway during my last road trip. The slim profile of the ratchet allowed me to effortlessly reach the tensioner pulley without removing a bunch of unrelated engine covers. It literally saved my trip. DEWALT also incorporates their patented direct torque technology across all the sockets in this set. Much like the VEVOR, this design contacts the flat surfaces of the fasteners, but DEWALT's execution feels even more refined and exact. The laser-etched markings on every single socket are large and highly visible, meaning you never have to squint or guess sizes, even in low-light situations on the side of the road. The polished chrome finish is spectacular, resisting oil, grease, and grime completely, allowing the tools to look brand new with a simple wipe down. The case is an absolute triumph of industrial design, featuring a tough interlocking system that keeps every single piece immobilized, no matter how aggressively the box is thrown around in your trunk.